Hello everyone, today we will learn how to select, unselect, and toggle all checkboxes. Backend products, especially B2B products, often do not have much UI to design. Due to the complex user flow involved, efforts need to be made on UX design. And tables are controls that we often use. Selecting all and unselecting all checkboxes are common interactions. Now let's learn how to make them. First, we set up the widgets. Drag into a repeater table. We need to place a box on the far left. Then drag in a checkbox. Drag in a few more boxes to make the header, and enter the text for the header. Then drag in 3 buttons and change the text to check all, uncheck all, and toggle all. Next, let's set the interactions. We only need to act on the checkbox in the repeater to change the selected state of all rows in the table. Select the Check All button, add click interaction, and select the checkbox in the repeater. Copy and paste the interaction to the Unselect All and Toggle All buttons, select False, toggle. Preview the prototype and click the buttons to select, unselect, and toggle all checkboxes. If you like my video, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel.